All right, so today's the day. I'm unboxing the Fungineers complete box. CNC'd, red just came in. Not gonna lie, I'm a little excited. All right, so we'll get the packaging out of here. See, the screw right there. Another screw over here. A little shake. Get that out of there. So, we're going to see what we have in here. Oh, look at that. That is nice. A couple more screws. I'm gonna put this down. Oh, look at that. So that is the CNC Fungineers box. Looks like a light in the back. There's the Thor mounted in there. 2-prong charger plug. Cable gland. Standard XR switchcraft. There's the wonderful Thor connector. And the locking switch. Or is it a latching switch? I'm not sure. But there's the power switch. You see the front is a light. I'll flip it over. Oh, that's nice. There's a little logo by Leah and the Fungineers. Looks like a very good handle. And there's the cooling fins they were talking about in the video. So I'm going to pause the video, take the lid off, and we're gonna see what has to be done to hook this up. But that is the basic unboxing. It looks like the couple screws, 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. And I've got the 4 screws right there off to the side. So there's 4 screws right there. Wonderful. All right. Oh, I want to peel one layer now, but I'm gonna wait. Okay. So we've taken all the screws out. We can take the lid off and we'll put that down here for now. But yeah, Fungineers does a great video on the inside of this and hooking it up. But man, this thing is beautiful. Oh my God. It is just shiny. It's clean. Oh, it is sharp, guys. There's the gasket. Nice gasket, comes right out. There's your plugs. Yeah, so that's it. One more time around for the crowd. And, you know, what kind of video would it be if I didn't peel the lid off end with it closed. Oh, I get it now. There it is.